You all know the name Casper. It's one of our sponsors. They do great mattresses, but they've also ventured into something unusual, a glowing orb of light. My review of the Casper Glow on iOS Today.
This is Twit.
This episode of Hands on Tech is brought to you by Grammarly. Grammarly is a communication tool that helps people improve their writing to be mistake-free, clear, and effective. Start writing confidently by going to Grammarly.com/hot and get 20% off a Grammarly premium account today. I just wanted to prove that you're not the only person who can bring glowy devices.
I got it.
This is a glowy device. Look at that.
You just turned it over and it started to glow.
And watch, I can turn it down by, like it's a knob, and turn it up. Watch that. And then if I'm ready to go to bed, like an hourglass, you ready? Are you ready to go to bed? Like an hourglass, I can turn it over, and then it slowly dims to full dark.
I love it.
And so it lets me go to sleep gently. And then in the morning, it's off. But I set it for my wake-up time, and when it's iOS Today time, and I know I have a show to begin at 9 o'clock, that's about 9:30 or 10, the light slowly comes up. And it's, by the way, it's a warm light. It's 2700 Kelvin, which is sunlight. Isn't that beautiful?
So it's not it's not actually warm to the touch, but it's warm.
No, it's a warm color.
Yes.
Here's another thing. Time to go to the bathroom in the middle of the night, just shake it, and you get a gentle glow.
Oh, yeah.
And then you carry that to the bathroom.
Oh.
Notice, by the way, it's not plugged in, much like the Go, the Hue Go.
And the Hue Go and the Eve Flare.
It has a little charging stand, and no matter which way you put it on this, it'll charge it up. So it has a battery. What I do is I leave it charging all day, and then when I go to bed, I actually carry this to the bedroom and put it on the stand. This is from Casper, our sponsor, and I'm not doing an ad here. They're not advertising this. But they just invented this, and I saw a really great teardown of it and how interesting the stuff is in this. You can get multiple ones. So you can get one for, both bedside tables if you're a couple. You can also have them paired to each other so they're in synchronization. It's a really interesting sleep light. Thanks for watching Hot. Our show today brought to you by Grammarly. Grammarly is a communication tool that helps people, including me, pretty much anybody here at Twit, improve their writing to be mistake-free, clear, and effective. Grammarly is available on multiple browsers and platforms. Grammarly Premium looks out for spelling, grammar, and advanced punctuation errors, style within context, conciseness, even readability. Go to Grammarly.com/hot and get 20% off your Grammarly Premium account today. That's Grammarly.com/hot. 20% off today.
It's like a lantern like you bring to bed, like in the olden times.
Yeah.
Like when you were little.
And I should show you, there's a
light.
Glow app. So you can do a lot of this right from the Glow app. Oh, first I have to, I'm sleeping. By the way.
Did you name it Beanie?
No, Casper did. Casper apparently gives your glows cute names.
Aww.
I thought that was really sweet.
Is it Benny or Beanie?
Beanie.
Beanie.
Okay. So Glow is currently being used as a guiding light. So flip it to turn it off. Beanie's out for a walk, but I'm going to flip it around. And now Beanie. See, it sensed that automatically. Beanie's back home and idle. I can change my wake-up time. As I said, 11:30 a.m. I can group Beanie with other glows so they glow together. And then I also have some direct controls over how bright Beanie is overall. And you see, I have it kind of a little bit dimmer. I don't like it too bright. And when I flip it over for bedtime, I can say, oh, you could take an hour and a half to turn down or 30 minutes. So I thought this was just really cool. And since you're all fan of these glowy lights.
I am.
I thought I'd show you the Casper. I want to call it the Casper Beanie. The Casper Glow. Not that. No, it's not a Indiana Jones glow stone. You can get it on the Casper website. I think this is so cool that you can turn it like that's a knob, except you're just turning it in its base.
Yeah, that is.
And it knows that, that means darker or brighter. It's the engineering in this is fascinating, and there was a great teardown. That's what got me involved in this.
Are there
You could make
bugs
your
inside?
own, huh?
Are there lightning bugs inside? Is that what
It's kind of like
glow
that,
comes
yeah.
from?
It's actually, the engineering in this is really interesting. See, there he is. He's tiptoeing. That way you don't step on the Legos. Very, very important.
That is, yeah, don't.
Yeah,
don't
if you've ever stepped on a Lego, there's no greater parental pain. And I like the idea of, and if you had multiple ones in the bedroom, and you had them all kind of gradually, right, to wake you up, isn't that better than an alarm?
Yeah, for sure.
It's kind of like daylight. Keep up with all the hottest tech news and gadgets. Visit twit.tv. There you'll be able to find and subscribe to all our tech shows. Thanks for watching Hands on Tech.